During the Second World War, we fought on all fronts defending human dignity. Today, we would like to recall the heroism of our pilots in the Battle of Britain, forgotten Polish soldiers at the Siege of Tobruk, the battles of Narvik, Monte Cassino, and many other places. Trails of Hope, the Odyssey of Freedom, is a commemorative project, not only about the combat trails of the Polish army during the Second World War, but also about the journey of exiled Polish civilians. In the years to come, we will present these stories to wider audiences of more than 50 countries. How are we going to do it? Education, science, archives, commemoration. The endurance of the Polish people will be honored by an exhibition presenting our educational and scientific research heritage. The contents of the presentation will differ between locations, as we uniquely tailor it to each country's local community. We communicate with a contemporary audience, so we speak to them in modern terms. We talk with people of different cultural backgrounds, applying relatable references and using familiar contexts. We also communicate with Polish people who have settled in other countries to help them learn more about the history of their ancestors. Learn more about our Odyssey of Freedom, a project of the Institute of National Remembrance in Poland.